If you want to make a UK garage remix with that bouncy and energetic groove, stick around because today I'll show you how to do it from scratch.
You man are my youngers, all blacked out like grungers, 10s and 20s and 100s, 10s and 20s and...
First I set the tempo to 138 BPM and I went for the 4-step garage groove. And this is what we have so far. I've split the bass into 3 layers. The first 2 are focused on the sub and the third one adds some top end texture. Then I sampled the vocals from Bound by the Ponderosa Twins +1 and combined them with the Stormzy's acapella from Wily Flow, so basically blending those together gave me a pretty solid bass to build the rest of the track around.
If you can't do 10k for a suite, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. You man are my youngers, all blacked out like grungers, 10s and 20s and 100s, 10s and 20s and thousands.
After that I added the 2-step garage break to switch things up and bring some variation to the drop. I think it gives the track a nice groove and keeps it from getting too repetitive. And now for the final details, just make sure to add some good transitions to make everything flow natural and smooth.
If you can't do 10k for a suite, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. You man are my youngers, all blacked out like grungers, 10s and 20s and 100s, 10s and 20s and thousands. I can't ever just loud them. On my Everest shouting, soon go back to the mountains. Third album, nigga, I blessed the beat with smoke. And my day one bros, they kept me close. Then I sit my technique, take a tour. They're trying to get me on the ropes. I broke it, especially in this cold. So please, man, let's just be adults. And don't be flexing in my boat. Nigga, you can't test me, I'm the GOAT. Rolex collections looking dope. I got the Pepsi and the hoe. And I ain't flexing on you niggas, cause I'll still be sexy if I'm broke. Wait there, and I was made to win, like I'm designed to blow. We're doing major things, but it's a minor though. I used to pay for things, but that was time ago. When now I hit you niggas with a wide flow, it's like bad 'em up once. Never could you take me for a dance. Been on the scene for 100 months. All I met is bare cunts. Take man for lunch, either you get punched. Pick one boy from your bunch, tell man jump. Oh well, you didn't wanna jump well. Oh well, look now you're slump, little nigga I swear. Get out my lane, get out my lane. North and east and west up hot for the south some flames. This year I'ma be a household name.